plenty today. Alright guys, we're out fishing on Wisconsin River in Nekoosa. Basically we're running some live bait. We got some minnows on a Wolf River rig and then another one on a swivel with a floating jig head. See if we can't get into some walleyes here this fall yet. It's getting close to the end of October, which is usually about the time I get wrapped up on open water fishing. Usually start hitting the woods a lot harder this time of year. So this will probably be the last time I'll be out open water fishing. So hopefully we can hook into some fish and have a good time, but only gonna fish for a couple hours and kind of see what happens here. So let's catch some fish. Just as I say that, I start getting a hit right here. Hopefully it's something decent. Not sure if it's there yet. Oh yeah, it's there yet. Tugging a little bit. There we go. Feels like a walleye, I think. Oh yeah. Not a bad little walleye. All right, number one for the day. Afternoon. Awesome. See if we can get some bigger ones. I think we're getting a bite. Maybe? Hey, I got fish on. Hooked up. Thought we were getting a little bite. Little walleye. Not very big. Walleye are always fun to catch though. Like a better one. Well, we almost just lost the rod. We're hooked up though. Feels a little, feels more like a pike, not a. Oh, it's a walleye. That's a nice one. No, that's a catfish, not a walleye. Catfish. We got a kitty cat. That was a good catfish. Look at that. Oh, I thought it was a big walleye for a second. Fooled me. Oh, we're gonna hit on this one now. Still there? No, gone. Shoot. Well, action is picking up. Only been out here for half an hour, a few bites, so really can't complain. Let's just get some nice ones. Be really fun. What in the world? You know, that is crazy. I thought I was getting a little bite. Sure enough, look at that. That is like one, that's probably the smallest walleye I've ever caught. That's crazy. I don't even know how I hooked it. That's crazy. Look at that. It's like a 6-inch walleye. It's awesome. Hey, we're catching fish though. I'm not gonna complain. Pissing around with my cameras and I'm getting a hit right now. There's a fish. Oh, it came off. Shoot. Finally had a halfway decent one, I think. Lost it. There's a fish. That's a little bigger walleye. Ooh, engulfs my jig. He really choked the jig. It's tough, they're biting so light, it's really hard to tell when to set the hook on them. Hey, decent fish though. Not bad. There's a hit. Well, starting to get one anyways. There's a fish. All right, it's a nice walleye. Decent walleye anyways. Just getting another little bite here. Really light one. Just as we're about to wrap up here though. Be nice if we ended the night on a real nice fish, but let's see. I think it's there yet. Oh, felt bigger for a second, but I think it's about the same size as the other ones we've been catching. Yeah. We'll end the night on that. So actually this will probably be the last walleye catch for the year. Well, until winter I should say. Last open water walleye. But fish down here a lot once we get into winter, ice fishing on Petenwell. So it's always fun fishing on the river here in the spring and fall. So let's get them back in the water and call her a night. But not a bad night, afternoon for a couple hours.